Hey guys, we're back and we're going after them pretty crappie. We had fun in here last time we was in here, but we got rained out. We caught some good ones though. I was happy. I had fun. But we're going after some more. Let's see what we can do. Oh, he's there. Wow, that's a good fighting. Is that a crappie? That thing was fighting like a bass there for a minute. That's a crappie. Good fighting fish. Oh, he's bigger than I thought he was. That dude might be close to the pounder mark. No wonder he was pulling so good. Got him a split tail down there. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good one. He's not bad. He probably close to that 80 to 90 mark. But yeah, that's a pretty fish. Now I'm gonna test him because he's my first crappie. 89. That's not bad. Oh yeah, we'll take him. Sometimes these things bite so slow. When I let them sink, I'll start moving it, and then I'll stop and let it sink again. Just let it go to the bottom. And then if it's a real good spot, I'll go real slow and then I'll let it sink. If they're biting, you know, slow action. Boom, there he was. All right. Oh yeah, that's not a bad one. That's a pretty good one. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about right there. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Guys, this is a pounder. Oh man, this is a blast. Man, that's a pretty one. Yep, I like it. Let's go ahead and give this dude a weigh in and see what he's got on the scale. Zeroed out. One, where we at now? 112. 112, guys. That's another pounder slab. I like it. We'll take him. So them hunters was in here a while ago, and they had there he is. They had a pretty good motor. Oh, that's a bass. They had a pretty good motor on there. I was surprised they put that big motor in here. With all them stobs in the middle right there. You know, there's logs and stobs everywhere. But yeah, it's hunting season's here. I'm good until the duck hunters get here. Then I ain't got room. They're gonna be right in here on top of me and they're gonna be shooting over my head, and I don't think I can handle that too much. But hey, that's a pretty little bass. Pretty. Later. This is a very good spot, but it's a very snaggy area. I almost get snagged every time I cast up there. But that's where the fish are. If you're getting snagged, there's a reason. You're after them fish. think of it like this. A snag is actually like a sonar. You're kind of feeling the structure and you say, hey, just kind of remember it, you know, say, hey, I remember that snag right there. I better be careful. But also remember, hey, there's a snag right there. The fish like this structure around that. Some snags you can see and some you can't. So you got to kind of remember where they're at. Like over here behind me. There's a pretty good log right up in there. So if I get snagged on it quite a bit. So I'm going to try not to get snagged on it, but I'm going to try to swim around it. See if anything's in that area. See, I just pull over it. But remembering some of these snags, and then the next time you fish it, it gives you a better opportunity to approach it. And you might catch that big boy. Or a little one. You never know. We never know until he bites. So I know there's another log right there. I'll take an approach like this and swim across that log. And hopefully I don't get snagged. I stay on top and then I let it sink as I get past it. There he is. That might be another pretty good one. Easy, baby. He's not that good. I mean, he's a good crappie. He's not a pounder slab, but he's a good one. He's probably in close to 80. Wow, that's cool. Look at that bump on his fin. That's pretty unique there. Hey, he's a good one. We'll take him. Let's see what we can do right here. And there's a log laying on top of this log going underneath it. So there should be something in here. Oh, there he is. Oh man, what I got, another bass? Oh, he done got into my other pole. Yep, another bass. These old bass are pretty rough. Pretty little bass. There. Look at these tupelos, guys. These things turn black and then they drop in the water and they go to the bottom and it turns the bottom black. The water's clear, but it makes it look like black. That's why we call it black water. It's got that dark grayish black tint to it, but it's clear. You can see like over a foot deep. Let's not forget about this stick that's out here in the middle. I know it'd be easy for crappies to bed up around it. And there he is. I've been casting at that stick forever and I ain't never caught one there, but I did today. He decided to settle in there, didn't you? Yep. That's a pretty crappie. We'll take him. There he is. What we got here? It's not a crappie. That's one of them grinnels. That's a bowfin grinnel. Some fighting fish. Oh, he's a pretty one. He's got that snake looking pattern on him. He's a younger one. Oh, easy, buddy. Hang on. Well, I guess I'll get you out of the water. You didn't come off too good. We'll take a look at you. You got a pretty pattern on you. Man, look at that. Look like a snake pattern. He's not a snakehead, but he's got that snaky looking pattern. I love them top fins. And there he is, catch and release.